You ain't got enough of this fever, I know, I know. Nothing would remain and you don't wanna go, so go. Cause you're picking your place, no time to waste. I wanna love you but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again and again and again. I'll be with you always, you don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the I'll be with you always, you don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you up, meet you at the end.
Good morning, cherries, on this beautiful Sunday. So today's gonna be a very exciting day because Hubs is taking my son and I to one of my favorite seafood restaurants, which I'm very hyped about. And even more exciting that I just found a donut shop that it's like super close to the seafood restaurant, that it has awesome reviews and the donuts look delicious. So I'm very excited to try that out. So today for breakfast, I'm gonna be like making it here at home. And what I'm gonna be making today is one of my favorites, which is Huevos Rancheros. What is Huevos Rancheros, you may ask? Well, to me, the basics of Huevos Rancheros is deep fried corn tortillas, refried beans, sunny side up egg. After that, you do whatever your heart desires. Like you can put sour cream, you can put queso fresco, you can put red salsa, salsa verde, you can put, I don't know, lettuce, tomato, onion, whatever you like. It doesn't matter. To me, once I have those three basic ingredients, I can make it my own. Speaking of that, I just wanted to make a comment that you're gonna be seeing during my videos, that I'm one of those people that I usually don't over stress about not having an ingredient. Like I usually open my fridge, open my freezer, open my pantry, and I decide what meal I'm gonna make that day, breakfast, dinner, whatever, based on what I got on those three places. Nowadays, it's very hard to just be overspending on what you don't need. So that's one of the things that, like, I've been married for almost 12 years. It's gonna be 12 years this year. So, and that's the way that I've been doing it all these years. I just work with what I got. Like if it's a new recipe, a brand new recipe to me that I'm gonna make for the first time, well, yeah, that's what I like to do. I go and get all the ingredients because I wanna give it a fair shot to the recipe and the creator, that if they're recommended that that's how it should be and that's how it turns out, like tasting delicious, well, yeah, I go and get all the ingredients. But for recipes that I'm familiar with, that I've been making my whole life, that I've been like working with ingredients that I'm very, very familiar with, I just open my fridge, open my pantry, open my freezer, and then I go from there. That's my canvas. I think that's the beauty to me about home cooking, that you can feel free to do whatever you want, whatever your heart desires. Like, it's your canvas, right? It's your kitchen, it's your family. So maybe what your family like, mine doesn't, or vice versa. So that's the beauty of it, that we can, the chefs or the cooks in our households, we can make it our own, right? We can make something that it's basic, transform it into something else, and maybe it can turn out like much better. So that's one thing that I want to preface, that in my kitchen I usually work with what I got. Like, I'm not one of those that, so please never come for me that, oh, it's because that recipe doesn't go that way, oh my god, that recipe, it shouldn't have that ingredient or this ingredient. Like, no. To me, every household has the right to create their own recipes. You have the right to whatever you got, work with it. Don't overstress that you need to go and spend extra money just to make something because people says that it has to be A, B, or C. This is just me, okay? It's my way of thinking. It's my way of doing things. I don't like to overspend, sorry. I don't like to waste money. I don't like to waste food. So that's the way that it's been working for me during all these years, okay? So let's start with breakfast, and I'm gonna show you how I make it. They're gonna be very easy, very simple, because I have some ingredients there that I'm gonna use, but it's gonna turn out delicious anyway. So come on, let me show you.
even call me up when I never wanna see ya. I'm just on my way back home, little drunk and alone, but I'd rather kick ya. Even though it's Friday night and I got no plans tomorrow, I could use a bam, 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 but it's not from you, cause I'm not that hollow. Baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Baby, let it be. Forget your rules. You ain't got enough of this fever, I know, I know. Nothing would remain and you don't wanna go, so go. Cause you're picking your place, no time to waste. I wanna love you but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again.